We'll guide you through how to add overlays for Streamlabs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Streamlabs on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. You need to navigate to the left side of the interface and click on the Alerts and Widgets tab. This will take you to the theme store where you can find both free and premium overlays. Browse through the available options, and once you find an overlay you like, click on it to see the details. You can preview how it looks before deciding to use it. If you're happy with your choice, click the I install button. Streamlabs will automatically integrate this overlay into your scenes. Next, go back to the main dashboard and click on the Editor tab. This is where you can see all your scenes and sources. You should see your new overlay added as a source in the scene you selected. You can now click and drag to adjust the overlay's position on your stream canvas. Remember, you can always customize these overlays further by clicking on the gear icon next to the source to tweak settings like size and color. If you're looking for more personalization, consider using the Widgets tab to add additional elements like alerts or chat boxes that match your overlay style. This can help ensure your stream looks cohesive and professional. Don't forget to test everything out before you go live by clicking on the Test Widget button. This will allow you to see how alerts and overlays appear in real time, ensuring everything looks perfect for your audience. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.